Hello, my name is Jose Campoverde. My course is First T1. My teacher is Lilia Pamela Mogrovejo, and this is a recuperate to summative test. Maslow hierarchy tells us that first we need to meet basic needs like food and safety, and then we look for connection and recognition. Basic needs: food, water, and shelter. Safety: feel safe, having a job and stability, love and belonging, having friends, family and relationships, esteem, feeling respected and having confidence, self-actualization, reaching personal potential. Maslow's pyramid helps businesses understand people needs by meeting basic and focusing on relationships and respect. They can attract customers and create products that connect better with them.